I'm here at Marriott's BeachPlace Towers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Are you heading here for your next trip? Well, don't click off this video. You're going to want to stick around as we go on a tour right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we get started going on a tour here of Marriott's BeachPlace Towers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, I want to let you know on this channel, I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't own timeshare, but you love visiting these fantastic resort properties, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's get started here with this tour of Marriott's BeachPlace Towers. Okay, so here we are at the main security gate into parking levels 4 and 5 here at Marriott's BeachPlace Towers. So 4 and 5 are the parking levels that are owned by the Homeowners Association here at the timeshare. And several floors below us, down on 1, and even on PL, which is the very bottom, there is a security gate to get into the main garage here. And when you first arrive, what you can do is you can actually take a ticket down there, choose the option to take a ticket instead of putting in your credit card. Putting your credit card is not a big deal. And then when you get up here, you just come in here. There is an intercom over here to say, hey, I'm checking in. They'll let you in. You end up just throwing that ticket away if you're going to be parking in this parking garage. And yeah, so that's the parking garage. We're going to head in here and start walking through the resort. Making a lot of noise over there, but yeah, let's go in and check it out. So like I said, 2 levels of parking. We're on P4. We're not really going to stop on P5, but we are going to go upstairs and check out the lobby first. Not a very big resort, shouldn't be too long of a tour here. You just have the lobby level, which has all of the amenities, and then something else that we'll see at the very end is pretty cool, so stick around for that. Down this way is the activity center. And it has been open actually for some activities, so if you're looking for your kids to take advantage of some activities, this is where you'll come. And if you're looking for some extra luggage carts, sometimes they have them hidden over here, so that's a little tip. If you can't find luggage carts, check here, and then if you can't find them here, well, you might have to go floor to floor. So let's head back out into the main lobby area and we'll check it out. Here is the fitness center, so looking for a workout, head over here. We won't go in there. There's quite a few people in there working out this morning, but that is the main lobby area. We're gonna head now outside and check out the pool. Okay, now let's head outside and check out the pool. Okay, so this is the one and only pool area here, the one and only pool at Marriott's BeachPlace Towers. Pretty small pool, not really a whole lot to explain, show you, or talk about. Just a small pool area here. There is a set of steps over here in the corner, and the rest of it is just ladders getting in. We do have splash pool bar and grill here. This has been open during the day, so feel free to come here, get some food and beverage by the pool. But they do have a lot of seating areas here as well, so that's really nice that they do have this open. And over here is the pool towel hut, so if you need to get some towels, exchange your towels, return your towels, you'll head over there and check that out. You do have a list of daily specials here. Take advantage of advertising their happy hour. Nice little stage up here. They probably have some live music every once in a while. But yeah, just a small pool area here. Not much really to show you. You can see the building here that is BeachPlace Towers and the balconies that overlook the ocean, have great ocean views up there. And then there's the ones down here at the bottom. They have kind of pool views, and it does get noisy out here during the day. So if you're going to be spending any time in your villa, try to get a high floor or get an intracoastal view, because music is pretty loud during the day from the pool. Up here we do have a hot tub, so just a small hot tub over here that you can come and soak in. They do have a sign over here: no reserving of pool furniture. Any items left for more than 45 minutes will be removed. Question is, how strictly is that enforced? We do not know. We'll just take a walk over here to the other side. There's another hot tub we're going to take a look at. Yeah, so you can see here they do have some nice pool lounge chairs with cushions. So you don't see that very often where they have cushions. Usually it's just the strapped chairs, the plastic chairs, but do have some nice cushions on these chairs here. And yeah, some umbrellas. They're not out here yet unfolding them, but they do open them up. See, it's a little bit breezy though, so not sure if they'll have them open today. But here is also the other hot tub just up this set of stairs, and there's a ramp over there for anybody that needs it. This is obviously a little bit bigger than the one we looked at just a minute ago, but again, a nice hot tub spa here as well. And then we'll walk over here to the edge, but since we are on the 6th floor, we do have nice views out to the Atlantic Ocean. And you can also see, now here you see the ugly rooftops of BeachPlace Mall, and then down there you can see the shops and whatnot, the few shops that they still have. There's a lot of empty storefronts down there, as has been for a long time, but there are some restaurants in BeachPlace Mall as well as up and down the Fort Lauderdale strip here. Let's continue around here. Just a couple more things to show you here on the pool deck before we head back inside and head up to the 19th floor. Yeah, so over here they have some ping pong to take advantage of. They have some additional seating over here, so if you maybe you don't want to sit in a pool lounge, you can just come over here and chill and relax. And some more ping pong, and the activity center is in there as well. You can also get to that from the lobby, as I mentioned earlier. But yeah, just one last walk through here of the pool area. These nice loungers. But like I say, it is pretty small, so it does get pretty busy for a resort with 206 villas. Okay, we're going to head back into the lobby here, pass through the lobby, and we're heading up to the 19th floor. Okay, and here you do have to swipe your key card to get up to the floors with villas. Okay, so we are on the 19th floor now. Half of this floor is, well, over half the floor is actually villas, but they do also have this really cool lounge that they call the Overlook Lounge. Lots of nice seating areas, some tables here that you can maybe take advantage of, come up and play cards, play some board games, something like that. And then Some great, huge, large screen televisions here. One at each end, so be sure to take advantage of that. Maybe you have a late flight out and you have to check out by 10 a.m. so you can come up here, hang out for the day, or maybe you even arrived early and you need someplace to stay before your villa is ready. Feel free to come up here. They will give you a key at check-in that will give you access up to this floor. So let's now head outside here. They do have a pretty cool balcony out here as well. So yeah, now I'm outside here on the Overlook Lounge. Really nice balcony here. Some great tables. It is nice and cool up here actually. Really nice breeze, but also have some really great views out here to the Atlantic Ocean. And then you can see down here below us is Fort Lauderdale Beach. I won't actually be going to the beach in this resort tour, but you can get a good look at it here. It is on the other side of the road, so keep that in mind when you're coming here to BeachPlace Towers, that the beach is on the other side of the road. Let's come over here and get another look, and you can see BeachPlace Mall below us. Doesn't look all that attractive from above, and you can also see the pool way down there below us. It's on the 6th floor. We're on number 19. Some hot tubs down there like we were looking at just a little bit ago as well. So really great views up here from the Overlook Lounge. Just one other thing in here is a nice couch, nice sofa here, some patio furniture you can come and hang out on. But yeah, really like this lounge. It's one of our favorite things about this property. And if you want to see that list of likes and dislikes, I will put a link up here in the upper right, so be sure to check that out. Did a whole list of what we like and what we don't, and well, we'll give you a little bit of a hint right now. There's more dislikes than there are likes, but that is the Overlook Lounge here at BeachPlace Towers. Okay, so there you have it, the resort tour here at Marriott's BeachPlace Towers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Are you thinking of coming here for your next trip? Any questions that you have? Let me know. Leave them down in the comments below and I will reply to them. We've been to a lot of timeshares. We've been here a few times before. Not too bad of a resort, but certainly not at the top of our list of favorites. But if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, help sell YouTube, push them out to more people looking to come here to Marriott's BeachPlace Towers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. For another video about Marriott's BeachPlace Towers, check out this one right up here and YouTube. They just know you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.